Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Kama Cinema Information Center. This is part of B of adjusting your watch bracelet. The first part we did, I showed you the toolkit you use to adjust your wristwatch bracelet. Now, this is the continuation of part 2. If you missed it, you can check in the previous video, subscribe, check all the videos. You're gonna see the tool I use to adjust and how to set them right before you set your wristwatch band for adjustment. As you can see now, in this one you can see the wristwatch band is a little bit loose. Some can be a fashion, but you can see it's now running over almost out of my palm. You can see it is out of my wrist now, almost to the palm. Now this is what we call our repair toolkit, and the one I'm holding, this is what we call the base. So after adjusting your base, you make sure you adjust so that the pin head can reach directly to the pins you want to remove, the pin links you want to remove. Also, you consider that you elevate the base of the toolkit and the seat is in proper alignment with your head pin. As you are doing now, you can watch, you consider the direction of the arrow. That's where you follow the arrow when you're removing the pin. Now you can see the pin is already out. But when you are putting back the pin, you do it in the opposite direction. So now as you can watch it, part of the link pin has been removed. Now I'm gonna adjust how to take measure my hand to see what extra pin or links I'm gonna remove. Whenever you are removing your links, you consider the arrows. Only the links which guide the arrows are the one which you can remove to adjust your watch. So you only consider these links which have the arrows. Those are the ones you can remove. It's possible you can remove the rest, but it is recommendable that you remove the link pin basing on the arrows. Those are links which guide the arrows. Now you can see I'm putting that way. I adjust the base to elevate it well so that it can hold well the wristwatch band. Thereafter, you start twisting your knob handle, and then you continue adjusting the knob handle until you see the pin is out. Now you can check it well, the pin is out. So until you can see that you can really pull it out using your hand. Now you can see it is halfway or quarter way out, whereby you can use your hand to pick it up. Now you can see it is already out. What next now? The next thing is to take a measure and see which link bands we're gonna remove, you see. But also to put in consideration the direction of the arrows. Now you can see I'm putting them back. Also, you consider I mean, the link pins also they have a particular let me say where you consider that it has directions, because not all direction can go through, but you do it in a opposite direction as well as the arrow. Now you can see after adjustment. Now I'm trying to put it back. Even you can tell before I fasten it on my hand that is now a little bit no longer loose. Now you can tell, you can watch it. If you take a look at the small video, you can see it was a little bit loose, and if you look at this one, then you can tell it is well fixed. It fit in my hand depending on my preference. If I want a little bit tighter, I can see what it just did, but this time around I prefer to be tight, to be like fitting, not too tight, because when it is too tight, that is not a good idea. Yeah, it can block the proper flow of the blood circulation in your body. But now this time around, I make it a little bit fitting, but not too tight, so that there's a proper flow of blood circulation. Yeah, so now you can see my watch. It is well adjusted. Where you like the video, subscribe. More yet to come from Chemist Information Center. We're gonna be looking at different topics, different mechanics, do it yourself, different stuff you're gonna be watching and learning. So when you learn, you share the video and also subscribe so that you don't miss any video I upload. Yeah, alright. That's the way it is. That's how we do it. Do it yourself. Yeah, it's better to learn, as I always say. But try and fail, but never fail to try. Can I say? Just pray. God bless y'all. Jesus pray. God bless my child as well, baby Marie. Come on, sing. See you on the next video. Alright. God bless y'all. I'm signing out. Come on, sing emotion. Love y'all. Keep on watching. Ciao. Au revoir. Kwaheri. Mwela, bye bye. Adios.